everybody, this is Tony Nicole and I'm really excited to present the Doll room tour for our blue bathroom. I have posted a previous video and I got a comment asking to see the room tour, so here it is. I actually had to put this together really quick because I just needed a background for our shower caddy video. So we did a quick room in a box and I covered the outside for you, but on the inside we're going to open it up and reveal our room in a box. We're going to start with the flooring. The flooring, I just googled bathroom tiles and printed that out. The walls are actually blue computer paper. And the top border is a brick pattern that I had just did a Google image search. I thought it was really nice. The wall art is just scrapbooking paper that I used to cover a piece of cardboard. We have our mirror with the metallic foil paper, and I glued beads to make the lighting across the top. On the side I used beads and the toilet paper holder. The toilet paper and the towel are both felt. I used a little ring to glue on the wall, the little towel rack. The shower is really interesting. The shower is not like functional, as the door doesn't open. That's what I'm trying to say. The box is just a plastic box. I think that Christmas bulbs came in there. And like I said, this was like a little quick to do room, so it's not real functional. I used a little trick from a previous video where I created a hose by wrapping silver tape with wire, and that's silver tape across the bottom. The back is scrapbooking paper, and you can see where I kind of used really closely just little silver beads. And so the only way that the doll is going in there is if you put it through the top, because the door doesn't open for the shower. The toilet for the base is an empty medicine bottle. The bowl, of course, is an applesauce bowl, a fruit cup. And the seat and the top is made from felt, and the back is a Tic Tac box, and everything's painted on there. The seat doesn't go down, it's not functional. For our sink, it's just a little plastic storage little thing glued to the box, covered with white paper. It has faux doors on there. The countertop is a scrapbooking paper. Little handles for the doors are made from cotton swab, and we glued beads for the faucet knobs, and the actual faucet is the tape wrapped around wire. We did a little storage shelving unit. I used a foam board, covered it with scrapbooking paper. We did the bottom to match the flooring tile. To do a little rug, I just used different shades of blue and I rubbed it on a little piece of white fur. We did a little basket for hand towels. That's just a bottle cap, and I wrapped this little trim ribbon around there. The towels are felt with a little piece of thread around there, and it's all glued inside of that bottle cap, but I did make a little single one that we could use. I created a little decorative bottle by gluing two beads together, and then the base is a rhinestone. And for a little plant, I used one of my favorite crafting techniques, the little pants hanger, and we wrapped the little decorative trim around there, glued the plant in. At the bottom, we're just going to use a deodorant, an empty deodorant case for the clothes hamper. But I wanted to make it a little bit more detailed, so we're just going to wrap yarn around it and carefully glue it into place with hot glue, and so it really kind of looks like a little basket. So here it is. This is our blue bathroom with all the little accessories included. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said before, it's something I put together really quick because I just need a quick background for the other video. So I'd like to work on this a little bit more. Maybe redo the toilet, make it a little functional, and of course the shower door. So again, I appreciate you as always for watching. You know how it goes. And for commenting and asking about the room tour, I would like to officially welcome Anjanette Alexander to the red carpet. If you want an official shout out, all you have to do is hit me up on social media. Again, thanks for watching. Please leave comments, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.